Question number 1 is let A is a matrix and so that ai plus b a raised to n equal to a raised to n I plus n b a raised to n minus 1 into b into a. Here I is the identity matrix of order n and n belong to n. Let P and B shall prove this question by using the principle of mathematical induction. Let P and be the statement be written here. Now step 1 is for n is equal to k, n is equal to 1, therefore P1 is ai plus b a raised to power 1 a raised to power 1 I plus 1 into a raised to 1 minus 1 into b into a. Therefore P1 will be ai plus ba is equal to ai plus a raised to power 1 minus 1 is 1, so b into a, because a raised to power 0 is 1. Therefore left hand side is right hand side, therefore P1 is true. Now step 2, for let us assume Pn is true for n equal to k. Let us assume Pn statement is true for n is equal to k. Therefore Pk be replaced from this statement nyk ai plus ba raised to the power k equal to a raised to power ki plus k into a raised to k minus 1 b into a, where I is identity matrix, and k is some natural number. K belongs to a set of natural number. Now in the step number 3, we shall prove Pn for n is equal to k plus 1. Now we shall prove this statement. Now see here, Pk plus 1 is ai plus ba raised to power k plus 1, which is ai plus ba raised to the power k into ai plus ba raised to power 1. Now while using the step number 2, we write here ai a raised to power k I plus k into a raised to power k minus 1 into b into a into ai plus b a. We substitute the value of this ai plus b a raised to power k equal to this here, a raised to power ki plus k into a raised to k minus 1 into b into a. Now multiply both factors. Now first factor into this, a raised to power k plus 1 into I plus this a raised to power k into b into I into a plus second this into a into this is k into a raised to power k into b into a into matrix I plus this term into this, so here is b, so b square, and k into a raised to power k minus 1 into b square into a into a. Now we will check here what is a into a. A into a is equal to 0 0 1 0 0. See here, we will calculate here 1 0 0. So first row first element, this will be 0 first row, second again 0 second row, this 0 0. So this is a zero matrix. When we multiply this factor with this means k into a raised to power k minus 1 into b square into a square is into zero matrix is again a zero. We multiply this is the scalar multiplication of a matrix, so every element is multiplied with this element, so all become zeros. So again we get this matrix 0, and this will become a raised to power k plus 1 into I plus a raised to power k into b into a plus this will be k into a raised to power k into b into a plus 0 matrix. Now we add these two terms. See here, a raised to power k plus 1 I plus this is common, so k, this k plus 1 into a raised to power k. We write k as minus 1 plus 1, sorry, plus 1 minus 1, k plus 1 minus 1 into a, into this matrix A, into this B. So we write this, and 0 plus this matrix is this, because A plus 0 matrix is again the matrix. So if we see this and this statement and compare this statement with the given statement, so we check here, and we compare this, n is equal to k plus 1, therefore pk plus 1 is true. Therefore from 1 to 3 step, therefore from 1, 2 and 3 the given statement is true. Pn is true for all values of n, hence by the principle of mathematical induction we write here, hence in the last we write, hence by the principle of mathematical induction given statement is true for all values of n. Question is lengthy, but we can write this in the last of the question. We will conclude here, hence by the principle of mathematical induction the given statement is true for all values of n.